In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a residential proxy in AdsPower. To get started, the first thing you'll need is your residential proxy connection information. Head over to your proxy provider's dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're inside, choose the type of residential proxy you want to use. In most cases, you'll see options like a static, also called sticky IP, or a rotating residential proxy. The right choice depends on how you plan to use the profile, so make sure you select the one that fits your workflow. After that, copy the key connection details you'll need for AdsPower. These usually include the proxy protocol such as HTTP or SOCKS 5, along with the host or server address, the port, and your proxy username and password. It's a good idea to keep this information handy so the setup goes smoothly in the next step. Now open AdsPower and click the New Profile button in the top left corner to create a fresh browser profile. As you move through the profile settings, scroll down until you find the Proxy Information section. Here, select the proxy type from the drop-down menu, making sure it matches the same protocol provided in your proxy dashboard. Then paste in the host or IP address and the port. After that, enter the proxy username and proxy password in the corresponding fields. Once everything is filled in, click the blue Check Proxy button to test the connection. If the setup is correct, you should see a successful connection message, along with details like the detected country, region, and ISP. This is an important confirmation that the proxy is working properly. Before saving the profile, go into the advanced settings and make sure time zone, WebRTC, and geolocation are all set to based on IP. This helps AdsPower match the browser fingerprint to the proxy location for a cleaner setup. When that's done, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your residential profile.